Hello, boys and girls. How are you guys doing? Guess who is this? Who can guess who is this? This is Teacher Mary. Okay. Now, guys, in this video, Teacher Mary is going to teach you guys about the sounds of Zen and Shen. Okay, so lately we don't have phonics because we don't have it in the lesson. Now we have it today, so we have to focus on today's phonics that is required in the book. And we have here the Sion. Oh, this is so big. So you see this one, the S-I-O-N or S-I-O-N. When they got together, the sound is Zen. Okay, just like you see here in this word, vision. Vision. Okay. Next, let's go here. There are more words about this. Let me get my rectangle first. Yes, here we go. So we have here vision, decision, collision, occasion, version, division. Yes, yeah, it's easy, right? Just short. Are you guys following me? I believe you are. I'm just guessing. Okay. Yes, here we go. We go to the next one. Now, yeah, it has the, let's see here. Oh, here we go. Another S-I-O-N or S-I-O-N. The sound is different again here. Shen. So, the S-I-O-N, sometimes it has Shen sound, it has Zen sound. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the words that have Shen sound. You see here, missionary, missionary, station, station. Good job. Yes, let's finish this. Mansion, mission, passion, permission, expression, nation, creation, vacation, motion, station. Good job. We have more Shen words down here. If you can see them, you can read it. Okay, so let's see if we still have more. Oh, no more. So you already see the sounds, the different sounds of the words that have Zen sound and the words that have Shen sound. So you guys need to be able to familiarize with this, and if it is possible for you guys, memorize them. Okay, the ones that have Zen sound are just a little, just only 6, but the one that has Shen sound is quite few number of them. You see here, quite a lot. So okay, now you will not confuse anymore with your Shen sound. Sometimes you thought this one is missionary, or sometimes you thought this one is some other thing, just like here. Okay, the T-I-O-N also has Shen sound. Oh, this one teacher didn't explain this a while ago. Okay, so once again, the T-I-O-N also have the same sound as Shen, as S-I-O-N. Just like here, nation, creation, vocation, motion, and station. So yeah, that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys are still working on your language art book, and make sure to always ask your parents. Okay, sometimes they probably are busy, but if they are not busy, you can ask them to give you, or guide you guys. And there are answer keys that can help you guys also check yourself, if you to make sure if you really know, you answer it correctly or not. So that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Teacher Mary will see you guys in the next video if we have another phonics videos again. So stay safe, guys. I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye.